Whenever OPPO launches its Find series, it is something special. Recently OPPO launched the OPPO Find N, the first foldable phone by OPPO. OPPO Find N Mobile was launched on 15 December 2021. The phone comes with a 7.10-inch touchscreen primary display with a resolution of 1792 x 1920 pixels at a pixel density of 370 pixels per inch. It also features a 5.49-inch touchscreen as its second display, with a resolution of 988 x 1972 pixels at a pixel density of 402 pixels per inch and an aspect ratio of 18:9. OPPO Find N is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. This phone is the best phone in the folding phones. No one has able to achieve such perfection in folding as OPPO did. In this video we will discuss OPPO Find N and Samsung Z Fold 3 in all aspects, but first subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. It is totally free. The first thing that is noticeable to every layman is the screen size of both phones. The OPPO Find N has smaller screen than Samsung's Fold 3. But every person who has used the phone is agreed this Fold has a bit larger screen when folded, and OPPO Find N made it much easier and much handy by change the screen aspect ratio. When unfolded, the Samsung Z Fold it is not in square shape, that is why you have to turn phone landscape to get bigger result, but OPPO Find N has a square screen when opened. In my opinion, OPPO Find N has the better screen size than Z Fold. What do you think? Do tell me in the comment section. How can we not discuss folding hinges when discussing foldable phones? The OPPO has used the screen pressure technology to remove the carries and succeed in doing so. OPPO claimed that the carries is 80% removed in Find N, where, as in the Z Fold 3, you can feel the carries right out of box. The OPPO Find N has another plus point on the power side because it has larger battery than Z Fold. The camera of Find N is also very great. It has 50 megapixels main wide camera, 13 megapixel telephoto and 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front selfie camera is 32 megapixels. In conclusion, I like the OPPO Find N, and I think it's the best phone in folding. What you guys think? Do tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.